Now I'll be focusing on the measure of spread, okay, which is also known as measure of variance, measure of dispersion, okay. This is the extent or the amount to which the observation in a sample or in a population vary from the mean, okay, which I talked about in the measure of central tendency also, that how far my data values are from mean. That is something which is to be discussed in the measure of spread or measure of variance. So there are some main measure of dispersion or measure of spread. One is range, another is standard deviation, and third is quartile. Okay. So let's cover it one by one. What is range? Range is defined as the difference between the maximum and the minimum value. So for example, in a given data set, you have the minimum value and you have the maximum value. If you want to calculate the range, you would just simply subtract the maximum value and the minimum value. Okay, that would consider a range. Range is not a very good method of spread because it only focuses on the first and the last value. It has not captured the entire data set. इसने सिर्फ पहला और लास्ट को देखा है और उसके बेसिस पर it makes a decision that how much is the variance or how much is the standard deviation in a process. So range is not very commonly used, but when we have small data sets, not a big data set, then we rely on the range. It tells about the total spread of the observation. As I said, it's on the only two extremes, the minimum and the value, and it gives no weight to the central value of the data because it doesn't focus on the average. It just focuses on the first and the last value. And as I said, it doesn't give good picture of the overall spread. So if I give you this example, what do you think is the range here?
20.
This example?
20.
20.
In this example?
20.
20.
But do you think the variance is same?
No.
No.
Okay. Okay. So have I made a good decision of taking range here into consideration? No.
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 No. No.
That's why, because it only focuses on the first and last. It has not covered the remaining part of the data. Middle values को तो देखा ही इसने. Yes, it has only looked at the first and the last. Let's talk about standard deviation. Standard deviation is the most commonly used. Most commonly used. This is to be used for mean, for average. Okay, when you have taken average into consideration, mean into consideration, then you, if somebody asks you that what is the variance in the data, then you do go for a standard deviation. But when you have considered median as a measure of central tendency, then in that case you consider quartile, which we will cover next. So let's understand what is standard deviation. Standard deviation is the average distance from all data points from mean, which means we take out the average. So first we see how far each data point is from the mean, and once we have taken that, we take the average of that. That is what called standard deviation. The lower the standard deviation in the process, the better it is for us, because this is also part of the variance family also. Okay. So this is the formula for standard deviation. So I would take certain example to make you understand. First of all, I will use a theoretical concept, a very arithmetic concept, and then I will use a shortcut for you to explain. Okay. So I will use, let's say this is my data. Okay, this data could be anything. This data could be the number of defects, number of errors, anything. Just a random data that I've taken. And now if somebody asks me to calculate the standard deviation of this data, okay, which means that how much is the variance in this data. How do I do that? I can do it in a fraction of seconds, but I will tell you the concept, the reason, and how to calculate that, and why it is called this the average distance from the mean. So this is the data that I have. First of all, let me calculate the mean of this data. How do I do that? Can someone please help me? If I want to do it in
equals to average.
Thank you.
Right.
So that's very simple. So I'll take out average. I'll just bracket close. So ये मेरा mean निकल कर आ गया.
Yes.
Okay, I'll just put 4 here and mean. अब मुझे इसका standard deviation निकालना. How do I do that? I would see.
Actually, you had taken a single value rather than the whole thing. Only A9 is being taken.
Right. The formula for average. Can you just put that down?
Okay, I've not taken the full formula.
You had only taken a single point.
Okay, so mean is 3 here. Now if I want to calculate the standard deviation of this data, how do I do that? So as I said, as the concept says, how far these data points are from mean, and I need to calculate that. Very simple. So I'll use this minus this. I'll just lock it and then drag it. So this gives me कि हर data point mean से कितना दूर है. Okay. So what I've done is I have subtract this from mean. Every data point is subtract from mean. So this is -1, this is 1, this is 0, this is -1, etc. This is. Now the next step is, if you do the sum of this, you will always get 0. You put any number here. You put any random 10, 20, 100 numbers and you subtract it from the mean, and if you sum it up, you would never get more than 0. You will always get 0. So in mathematics, we have learned to give a relative advantage, we have to give we have to give certain formula to it. So what we will do is, we will take the square of it. Means we will multiply this value with the same value. So I'll multiply -1, I drag it here. Now the sum would not be 0 because I have summed it. Now in order to calculate the standard deviation, what is the formula? Sum of all these divided by n-1. Okay. The sum of all these is 8. Okay. And I divide it by
11 minus 1.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
You
11.
have also added
So I will do 10.
You should do 9 actually. You have added the 0, that is the sum of the variance in that result.
No, that's correct. So what he's mentioning in
That's
the
correct. 11 minus
in the B column, right? Yeah. Now it's
So we have 10 values. Okay.
Yeah.
So which means
divided by 9.
8 divided by 9. So 8 divided by 9. So 0.8889. This is my variance. If I want to calculate standard deviation, I will take the square of it. I will take the square root of it. Why I'm doing square root? Because I am giving an equal weightage. पहले मैंने square किया था, अब मुझे इसको वापस करना है. So in Excel, there's a formula for that. Square root, this one. And if I close the bracket, so this is my standard deviation. So for this data which I have, my standard deviation is 0.942809. Okay, and this is my variance. The only difference between variance and standard deviation is variance is without doing the square root. When we take the square root out of it, we get the standard deviation. So that's why we call it as the standard deviation is the average distance of all data points from the mean when we take the square root of the given value. Now, if I want to do it in a fraction of seconds, okay, so there's a formula in Excel which is called STDEV, the first one that I've got in the list. So this is my data. Remember that this is my data. The column B and column C is it was just calculated to get to the standard deviation. That was not my real data. Do we all remember that?
Yes.